This is part 2 of the Admiral set. I got it back together. See how it goes. Okay, here. There. Yeah, I don't really, well, there's that. I don't know what's going on. I didn't like the sound of that though. Can anybody tell me what's going on? I don't have a tube tester. It could be the vertical, or I don't know. I've replaced 4 capacitors already in the vertical section, and I don't know what's going on. The wattage is, the output wattage is a lot lower than what it says. It's showing like 130 something, over around 130, but it's supposed to be at 180. And I don't know, this is kind of disappointing. I would like to see it work, have a full screen, not just either nothing or just a line going, a vertical or horizontal line going across it. I don't know what's going on with it, man. See, here's the vertical tube. I don't know if it's bad or what. It looks very high hour.